Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this cool material. This is just a material. I have placed it on planar and some spheres. So this is just a material effects today. So let's start this tutorial and you can find this file on my Patreon as usual. So let's start this. So basically this is just a material. Okay, this is the material and I will create it again. So and this is just a planar. So let's make it again. So let's say I create material and I call it M test. Okay, and let's use a planar here and I'll make it translucent and unlit. Okay, and let's also turn on the background. So if I want to see the this environment and yeah, on a planar.